So here are all the ingredients you are going to need to make some delicious mangoñadas. Just in case you miss it, I am also going to be writing it in a further slide. As always, we would like to thank you so much for tuning into this video and hope you enjoy this video as much as we enjoy making it for you. Please be aware that I am also going to be discussing the health benefits of all of the ingredients you will be using to make this mangoñada. I separated some mango pulp from an extra ripe mango for added texture. Though this is not a necessary step, you can definitely do this to add a variety of textures. The first time I tried mangoñadas was when I was almost 16 years old in Guadalajara, Mexico. My father took me as a gift after my quinceañera, and I tried one of my aunt's mangoñadas. They were so delicious. I had never had anything like it before, and my father told me that she's been making them for many years and selling them throughout the centro in Guadalajara. So making this is very special to me. I called my father and let him know that I was going to be making this, and he wanted to remind me of the first time I enjoyed it, and it was so funny because we kind of spoke over each other in excitement because I remembered everything about that moment. So sharing this recipe with you means very much to me. I am really excited to be making this for my family and bringing in my tradition from my family and carrying on the tradition and being aware of my roots and where I come from, and really being able to enjoy this decadent Mexican treat and knowing that it has a past in my family and in my blood. I did mention a low sodium tajín option in my previous slide. The low sodium tajín will have a baby blue top to them. They also have habanero tajín, which I just discovered today. So have fun with this, guys. Mangoñadas is called that because we're using mango, but traditionally it is just known as chamoyada because it is a sweet and spicy type of shaved ice, also known as raspado. A drink prepared with a variety of fruit flavored with the chamoy. So this is why we're calling it a mangoñada, but that's the traditional one, but people have so much fun with this. They like to use different fruits. This drink is most commonly prepared with mango or mango sorbet or mango flavored shaved ice. That's why it's usually called a mangoñada or a chamango. Another common way of enjoying a chamoyada is with sandia, so watermelon.
Hi guys, today I'm making mangoñadas. I don't know what it is, but
Some health benefits of lime include they have a high source of magnesium and potassium. They are also known to rejuvenate the skin, improve digestion, fight infections, help with weight loss, lower blood sugar, prevent cancer, reduce heart disease and inflammation. This treat is so fun to make. It is so beautiful because of the variety of colors. It's a delicious Mexican treat, very simple to make. And because we have the option of frozen fruit year-round, you can make this any time of year. I also want to make sure that I let you guys know that though the chamoy also has a lot of health benefits, please be aware of the sodium intake. I will be discussing the health benefits for each ingredient we are using to make the mangoñadas in just a moment. I love to make sure that even though my family gets treats, I make them as healthy as possible. And knowing all of the health benefits for each ingredient of all of the foods I make help me feel comfortable about feeding it to my family. Chameli sauce. Chamoy is a condiment from Mexico that is typically served as a dip for fresh fruit. It is made with fruit such as apricot, mango, or plum, chilies, and lime juice. Please be aware if you are making this for children to use a very mild chamoy sauce. Tajín seasoning is not typically spicy, but if you are using this recipe for children, be sure to let them try it individually and or give a very limited amount. As you can see there, my daughter wasn't too fond of it, but then agreed that it tasted very similar to the Lucas candy. Also, be sure if you are making this recipe with children to remember that they are just babies, therefore there will be messy moments. Be sure to do hand over hand as much as possible and take your time. Some of the many health benefits of mangoes include preventing cancer, lowering cholesterol, clearing of the skin, improving eye health, may also help with diabetes, and promote healthy vision. It is also known to help fight heat stroke. Therefore, this treat is perfect for a hot day, and it is also known for helping boost immunity. Some of the many health benefits of strawberries include weight loss, boost of memory, anti-aging, eye health. It is also known to reduce inflammation and great for the eyes. Also, very high in antioxidants. It is also known to help promote hair growth, improve brain health, and strengthen your teeth. As I mentioned earlier, chamoy is made with fruit and spices, therefore not necessarily unhealthy. They have many vital vitamins, including thiamine, vitamin A, folic acid, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin C. It also contains tamarind, which is a food that is rich source with tartaric acid. Tartaric acid gives a sour taste to the food and is a power antioxidant that helps the body protect itself from harmful free radicals. Enjoy this yummy treat with your family anytime. If mangoes are not in season, just buy frozen mangoes so you can enjoy this year-round.